What's going on, everybody? It's just another day in the kitchen, back with another episode. You know the vibes. You see the video, you see the title, you know what's going down. It's another Travis video. Shout out LaFlame one time. Before we get started, guys, make sure you guys are following us on Instagram, social media, all that good stuff at We Don't Cook Food. One more time, that's We Don't Cook Food. Just so you guys are up to date with what's been good with inventory, the latest drops, all that good stuff. Now, guys, we already knew Cactus Jack, aka LaFlame, was going to go ahead and drop some kind of merch for this collab. This ain't just any regular collab either. This is a collab with the Golden Arches, a staple of American cuisine, guys. McDonald's, aka Mickey D's. They've come in clutch a couple times in my life. It is what it is. Shout out to Mickey D's one time. Holla at your boy for the sponsorship. But this is it, man. This is the Cactus Jack, Cactus Pack, whatever you want to call it, whatever Travis calls it in this tweet right here. This is the collab, guys. I was honestly shocked. My first impressions, I was shocked. There was so much merch. I don't even know where to start, man. I mean, how do you guys feel? Let me know in the comments. Do you think Travis overdid it right off the jump? I mean, my whole thing is there's just so much to digest right from the jump. Like, there's just so much going on. A million T-shirts. You know, they're not going to ship for another 3 months. It's usually like 8 to 12 weeks, as with his previous merch. You know, like by the time you start getting the confirmation emails and the shipment emails, it's like, man, I forgot that I even ordered this, honestly. So some of these pieces right here are kind of crazy. These jorts right here are my favorite. I guess he's going to try to bring them back. If anybody can bring back the jorts, I guess it's going to be LaFlame, because everything this guy touches turns into gold, guys. Let me know your favorite Travis song in the comments one time. But, yeah, there's just a lot to digest. I don't think I could make a video long enough, honestly, taking the time to go over every single piece that I like. So what I'm going to do at the end of this video, I'm also going to go ahead and just throw up some of my favorite pieces and, excuse me, maybe talk about them a little bit. But this is what it is, guys. There's a ton of pieces, like I'm saying. I like this hat right here. It's not bad. I actually saw it leak. Picture of it leaked on Twitter not too long ago, as you guys can see. We got a rolling tray for 20 bucks, 30 bucks, a chicken nugget pillow. This right here got me really excited, the Travis Scott action figure. I thought it was for the action figure itself. I was ready to cop it because, you know, resale would have been crazy. Unfortunately, it was a life-size cutout cardboard whatever model. So my question to you guys, do you think Travis is overdoing it? Is he oversaturating his own market? Some of these pieces, like I said, are cool, like these basketball pieces. I think McDonald's sponsors like the All-American competition. You got the big gulp right there, the tie. I might need to pick that up for work, honestly. But yeah, I don't know, man. There's just so many pieces, so much going on. I didn't really have a great chance to go ahead and really dive into these. You know, I just wanted you guys to really see and soak it in, because these drops do not last for long. They're only up for a couple days, even though all of this stuff is printed and ordered, you know, based on the amount of orders he gets, printing on demand. So this guy's the drop shipping king, honestly. But yeah, guys, let me know what you think in the comments. Honestly, I wouldn't even know what to tell you as a good guess on resale. Something like the jorts, something exotic, could definitely resell for a minute. So I don't know. There's just so much Travis Scott merchandise on the market at this point. Some of these pieces are a little fire. You might be able to double your profit, such as like this hat right here. Some of the T-shirts, I'll go ahead and throw out my favorite ones at the end, but I don't know. It's just so hard to tell at the moment. I might go ahead and do another video kind of closer to when they start shipping these to see a trend. Like I said, there's always some kind of piece from every kind of drop that's, you know, reselling for a little bit more than the rest. Sometimes these pieces take a little bit to catch on to everybody else, or it just takes one person to really rock it for everybody to hop on that wave. So it's kind of up in the air with this merch collab. I think the fact that he did it with McDonald's is a pretty big deal on the scale that it is. I really like the color of that tee right there in general. I wish they had a little better graphic, but it is what it is. But yeah, guys, like I said, this is just an interesting drop from Flame. He's definitely got a marketing team behind him that's incredible. I might have to pick up that tee right there. I think it's going to be one of the few that actually resell for a large amount. So we'll see, guys. I really think that some of these pieces could be heaters, but they might also flop. But my best guess is that these are not going to stay up for long. I know a lot of people are going to be buying in bulk, which is exactly what somebody like Travis would want. So if you want to make money, pick up a couple pieces. They're not going to be up for long. And stay tuned, guys. I'll go ahead and throw up my favorite pieces and what I might be copying. And let me know in the comments what you plan on copying as well. Peace. All right, guys, so these are some of my favorite pieces from the drop. This tie-dye tee is going for 58 bucks. Won't get here for about 4 months. I think it's a personal cop, and I think it'll have some resale. This right here is a low-key cop I'll probably wear. Nothing too crazy, 48 bucks. These jorts right here I just threw on here because I'm super curious how they're gonna do. LaFlame can pull it off. We'll see if anybody else can. 250 bucks. This hat right here is $44, I'm pretty sure. Something I'd wear, low-key. You know, you could style it with a lot. I think it's pretty dope. Styrofoam cup, you know, that's for all the lean sippers out there. You know, you could do a lot with that, have some cool photos, sip whatever you want out of it. And, of course, the ball. Cactus Jack, score 200, 0 for the ops. You know what the vibes are, guys. But these are some of my favorite pieces. Let me know what you guys thought of this video, what you copped, and did you guys get the Travis Scott meal? That'll be my next video, reviewing that. Stay tuned. Peace.